Hello, friends. Are you ready for a fun adventure through time? A whole year is made up of 12 special parts called months. Let's learn all 12 months of the year together. It's going to be so much fun. There are 12 months in every year. I'll say each one, and then you can say it right after me. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first month is January. Can you say January? After January comes February. Your turn. February. Next up is March. Say it with me. March. Then we have April. Can you say April? After April, it's May. Your turn. May. Now for June. Let me hear you say it. June. The middle of the year is July. Can you say July? Then comes August. Your turn. August. Next is September. Say it loud. September. After that, we have October. Can you say October? Then it's November. Your turn. November. And the last month of the year is December. Let's say it together. December. Did you know the months are grouped into 4 seasons? Winter is chilly with December, January, and February. Then comes spring, with March, April, and May, when flowers bloom. Summer is warm with June, July, and August. And autumn is cool and colourful with September, October, and November. People have fun sayings about the months, like April showers bring May flowers. That means the rain in April helps all the pretty flowers grow in May. Now, let's play a little game. What month comes right after May? Think about it. It's June! That's right! Okay, here's another one. What month comes after August? Do you remember? It's September! You're doing great! Last one. What month comes after November? The very last month of the year. It's December! Fantastic! Now let's say them all together in a fun chant. January, February, March, and April. May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. One more quick quiz. Look here, June, blank, August. What month is missing? It's July. You got it. Great job, super learners. You did it. Now you know all 12 months of the year, from the cold of January to the festive fun of December. You are a months of the year expert.